Hello everyone, it's Megan here with Gotcha Healthy. I am excited to share with you all today about how to make raw almond milk better than what you get at the store. And only with a cup of almonds. So it's really saving money, and we're going to show you how really quick it is and yummy almond milk can be. So I literally got these at Aldi, and they are raw almonds. So about a cup. So I measure out the cup. Yep, it's a good cup. And then I literally soak them in purified water. So I just filled up this wonderful half-gallon with purified water. I'm going to dump the almonds in, and we want to soak these for 4 to 6 hours. So simple, guys. Once you get in the routine of making almond milk, it's super easy. I've taken sea salt. Sea salt just brings out the flavor of the almonds. So just put some sea salt in there. And then when it comes time to actually make the raw almond milk, it brings out the flavor. Really yummy and helps them soak.
Hi, I'm Chef Trinity. Today we're making raw almond milk. So we're going to need some water, some almond milk, which has 30 water in it, so we're going to pour it out.
Yep, kind of pour it
then
out.
Then we're going to blend some in. At least we got a new one.
Yay, we got a new blender.
Then we have
cinnamon.
We're going to put some
cinnamon
pills.
Yeah, we're going to tell them about those.
Some sea salt. Some of these.
The dates that are natural sweetener.
These are very good.
Yeah, they are.
Then we're going to use this as the lid.
It's a strainer.
We can put this on top so it can blend.
Are you ready to get to work, Trinity?
Yeah!
Here we go.
Subscribe to our video and click the bell button. We're gonna put one almond.
1 cup.
1 cup of almond.
In the blender.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Trinity. I'm gonna put the whole thing. Just grab the whole thing and put it in there. Good job. Get them all in there.
Strain the almond pulp.
That's right. So we've got our handy dandy cloth strainer.
Yeah.
And we got that at Bed Bath & Beyond. So a wonderful food mesh cloth there. And we just blended all of our 1 cup of almonds and about a couple cups of water. Here we go. We're going to strain out the almond pulp. And putting it in our half-gallon glass almond milk container. Wow, Trinity, we squeezed out a lot of almond milk, didn't we? Woohoo! Yummy. And when you really squeeze with the cloth, it really makes a richer almond milk. And guys, only a cup of almonds. It's amazing. And then Trinity, what are you doing, Trinity?
Putting salt in here.
Yep, about a half a teaspoon of salt. Put it over here. There you go. Good job. And look at all the almond that we strained out. And we make some amazing almond energy protein balls out of that. Like almond butter. cinnamon, dates. All right, Trinity, you're doing a good job. I think you about got enough. That's great. Go ahead. What are you going to put in on the water there? Sea salt? Sea salt? We like to get the Redmond salt, which is mineral sea salt. Very good. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put in our dates. 4 to 6 dates to give it that natural sweetener. And we're going to pop these in the blender. Our sea salt and dates are in about a cup of water, and then we're gonna strain into our almond milk.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, what's next is we've got a very special ingredient that you will not find anywhere else, but we love it, called cinnamon balance with what? Special herbs that make
And there's cinnamon in it.
cinnamon that make it.
I know why, but there's.
Yeah. So we have got raw almond milk all squeezed out with our dates, sea salt, and now we're going to put in, we have this open capsule of the cinnamon and herbal
Are you going to pour it in
capsule that gives it just an amazing flavor, you guys. Better than store-bought any day. Good job, Trinity. Just keep poking it down in there. Yep. Tap, tap, tap. Hang on tight. See, we just opened up one capsule of the cinnamon balance. It's also great, you guys. Cinnamon and the herbal complex that it is great for blood sugar support, taking away those crazy sugar cravings. Oh my goodness. Cinnamon and herbs together make a powerhouse. Good job.
Stirring it.
Stir, stir, stir. And then a half a gallon is about a total of 8 cups of filtered water.
Yeah. I don't want to drink.
All right, so pour it in there.
I do not want to drink this kind of water. We'll never drink this water. It's only for milk.
I have the cinnamon balance in my teas. It's so good. Good job, Trinity.
You guys never drink it. It's so crazy.
All right, so we're gonna fill it up to about right there is
You
gonna be our
cannot
half
drink
gallon.
it.
I think, Trinity, we got the best almond milk around, don't we? All right, so the raw almond milk is completed.
Yeah.
And then we will have the recipe for you underneath the video in the description box and our secret
Bye.
ingredients. And you can put in the fridge for about a good 5 to 7 days. All right, we'll see you at the next
You
video.
can put and subscribe to our video.
Yeah.
Bye.